Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Friday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. This is the 1 hour chart of gold USD in front of us, and you can see that I have marked many levels for the day. So let's try to understand one by one. But before we proceed, I would like to take you to the chart of DXY, US dollar currency index. So DXY is still, as expected, DXY is still trying its best to survive above the crucial support of 105, and we can see that yes, DXY struggle is real. You can see that right now market is under consolidation. It's trying its best to survive. So time will tell whether it is or it will succeed or not. Okay, because if DXY breaks this particular support, the support of 105, then there may be a massive fall on the chart of DXY US dollar currency index, and we will see a strong recovery on gold, euro, USD and other pairs. If you look at the higher time frame also, let's say 1 day time frame, you can see on the 1 day time frame also we have a very strong support of the 200 moving average here. The red line is the 200 moving average. So let's see how DXY reacts in the coming days, or how DXY performs in the coming days. Now the chart of gold. So on the chart of gold also we do not see much volatility, craziness in the market. More or less gold is ranging in the same range. Okay, so in this chart of gold, at least for today, the big resistance is around 1785 to 86, and the big resistance, the big support is around 1722 to 1727. So in case during the day, or especially during the US session, if market shows extreme volatility, then 1785-86 will play the role of the big brother, the big resistance, and on the other hand, in case of a big fall, 1722-27 will play the role of the big support. But today we don't have any news also that will bring crazy volatility. You can see this is economy calendar. Okay, so only high impact news is ECB. And if you look at the Forex sentiment meter, in the Forex sentiment meter we can see that 69% retail traders have taken short position and 30% retail traders are on the long side. It means they are holding buy position, and as we all know, usually we see market going against the retail traders. So yes, there is a possibility that today or in the coming week market will be going up to test the 1785-86 level, or maybe 1800 level, because previous week we all were hoping that market gold would test the level of 1800, but gold failed. So in the coming week there is a possibility that yes, gold may go up, but right now market is stagnant. There is not much volatility. So my advice or my suggestion will be that try to trade from level to level only, because swing traders, position traders, still you don't have a clear picture right now. So as a result, you must be very flexible, and you need to trade from one level to another level, okay, with proper risk management. Okay, so first of all, if gold goes up from here, because right now I don't see any trading opportunity here. Okay, yes, gold may come down, gold may see some selling for 30-40 pips because of the 200 moving average, but yes, is this a safe level? No, my dear friend. 1758-59 is no longer a safe level, because market is testing, or market has been testing this level so many times that the importance is gone. Okay, so I don't see any trading opportunity on the chart right now. During the day, if you see market going up, then 1763.50 to 1767.50 will play a good role for the market as resistance. If the volatility of the market remains like this, listen to me carefully. If the volatility of the market remains like this, you can expect the market to reverse from this resistance level, from 64, 63, 65 level. Once you see the market is reversing, market is showing price rejection from above, you can go for a sell position. And how much you can expect? At least you can expect 30 to 40 pips. I'm not talking about trend reversal because still we don't have any confirmation yet. See, we are retail traders, we do not drive the market. So as a result, we will have to act according to the market or according to the situation. So here, okay, so here, if market reverses from 63, 64, 65 level, you can go for a sell position, okay, but try to exit after 30-40 pips. In case you see that selling pressure is high, selling pressure is good enough, in that case you can continue. Otherwise 30-40 pips in this market situation is quite good. But yes, get the confirmation first. In case you see market approaching 63, 64 level with a big green candle, obviously use your common sense. You don't need to take a sell position. So if you see market reversing, then only take a sell position. And on the other hand, if market breaks it, okay, if market breaks 63, 64 level, you can go for a buy position in case of a big breakout. But the chances of a big breakout are not very high considering it is a Friday, but we never know. Okay, in case market goes for a breakout above 68 level, okay, if you see market going for a breakout above 1768 level, do not take a buy position immediately because you need to save yourself from false breakout as well. False breakout is a bitter reality. If you have been trading in a market, probably you have faced false breakouts. So watch the market for 1 hour, 2 hours. If you see that the bullish power is really good, DXY is falling, then you can go for a buy position above 1768. Otherwise wait and watch, because it's your hard-earned money, so you need to protect it. And there are two minor support also for day traders. How we have derived the support level, let me show. See, this was the low made by the market. Okay, so we have taken the help of Fibonacci retracement here. So once we have taken the help of Fibonacci, okay, you can see we have Fibonacci 23.6% retracement around 1752, around 1752.51. So if market comes down during the day, okay, and if you see market bouncing from here, you can go for a buy position. Keep in mind, this is not a support, this is not a strong support at all. Okay, this is just the level for day traders. If the volatility is low, agar market ऐसे flat रहता है, in that, then only you can expect the market to bounce. Okay, so for day traders only, if you see market bouncing from 1750 to 51 level, you can go for a buy, because we have seen previously market taking support or bouncing from this level. In case market breaks it, okay, in case market breaks it, then the next level from where you can expect a small bounce for day trading purpose, okay, is 1748 to 1749. Why we are considering this level? Okay, we are considering this level because of, see, we have Fibonacci around 1748 level, plus this level acted as resistance previously. So we are combining both the factors here, Fibonacci plus previous resistance, to act as support. So therefore 1748.49 or 1747 also has the potential to act as a minor support for day traders. Okay, so these are the only levels that I see on the market right now or have the trading potential. So right now we don't have any immediate big support or resistance. All the levels are not very strong, so please be careful and please follow proper risk management, because this is my lesson. I can be wrong as well. I'm recording this video in the Asian session, so market may change, market may show extreme volatility during the US session as well. So please be careful, follow proper risk management. No trader is 100% accurate. And my dear friends, the workshop, yes, the Forex Hero Masterclass, okay, is back. Okay, after 4 to 5 days, okay, the workshop will start. So if you really love my work, if you really want to take up trading as a serious source of income, then you can definitely be a part of the workshop, because this is the world's most affordable forex trading workshop, जिसको मैं हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों में कंडक्ट करता हूँ. ठीक है, it's both Hindi and English language. After the workshop, you'll also receive support for 1 month, hand holding for 1 month, so that you don't feel lost. Okay, so you can check out the link in the description. Hopefully you will love. Okay, and most importantly, I have also shared my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. Okay, because if I can succeed, then you can succeed too. Bye bye, take care.